Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aruna here. Today I'm back with a new video on Lbeads products. As I have collaborated with Lbeads, they asked me to pick my favorite items from their huge list of items to make craft videos for them. So today I will show you an unboxing video for Lbeads. This time I picked some quilling paper tools, some glass beads, some acrylic beads, few unfinished wooden cutouts, some golden rounded beads and all. If you go online and search for Lbeads, you will get to see that they have a huge number of products on jewelry beads, gemstones, glass beads, quartz beads, jasper, Tibetan style alloy beads, resin charms, enamel pendants and many more. You will also find cloth pouches which is just perfect for gifts. If you are interested to shop from their website, then use my coupon code which you will get in the video description box to get 3% discount on your total purchase. So let's begin. The first item that I got is a 36 color quilling paper strips. This bag comes with 360 strips with 36 color, and this item is ideal for paper quilling projects. The second item that I got today is heart-shaped leisure wooden cutout. This piece looks amazing and ideal for DIY projects. It comes with 100 pieces in a single bag. The third item is Christmas-themed wooden leisure cutout shapes. If you look closely, you will get to see that all the Christmas necessary cutout items are there, like reindeer, Christmas tree, snowflakes, bells, and the toy horse. This is just fantastic for Christmas DIYs. Here I got some orange organza bags. This is perfect for gifts. This looks really beautiful with the color, and it also has some tiny shiny dots on it. This item is just fantastic. It's actually spray painted acrylic beads. It has a beautiful golden matte look. The size is about 11.5 by 9 mm. This item is perfect for making beads garland with any other colored beads. These acrylic beads are perfect for swing projects. This package comes with 100 pieces in a bag. This glass cabochons looks amazing. The size of this cabochons is 10 by 4 mm. Here I took some red colored quilling paper for my upcoming quilling projects. This product is so beautiful. It's actually a quilling paper tool. The size of the item is 21 by 15 by 0.8 centimeter, which would be perfect for my quilling projects. The last item for today is a set of quilling papers which comes together in a plastic box with some quilling tools. There are 8 different quilling papers packages, comes with variety of shades. You will also get a large quilling scale, 1 medium size scale and 2 other quilling tools in this package. Thanks Lbeads for choosing me to work with you. Thanks for watching my videos. Very soon I will come back with another DIY video with using these products from Lbeads. Those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Thank you.